We are pleased to show you the 2025 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.